see people texting while driving every day. If one of them has a wreck, does it make any difference in the way insurance handles it versus someone who had a wreck but wasn't on their phone?
Yes, absolutely. Because now it's illegal to text and drive, and in a lot of occasions it can be looked at the same as, when you're breaking the law and you're driving, it could be looked at the same as a DUI or driving while impaired or intoxicated. And my firm has been involved in several cases. Actually, one high-profile case a couple of years ago where someone unfortunately died. The person who was texting actually got convicted, and so yes, it absolutely. What it does is it turns it from just a normal accident where negligence happens. Because things happen. Where you're not looking where you're going or something of that nature, and you accidentally, run a red light or stop sign, but it's just negligence. But if you're texting and driving, that gets you in the realm of punitive damages, and so the value of the claim is higher, and the insurance company will typically have to pay more for that. So it absolutely does sway on that.
And then kind of on the flip side, if you're the person who's violating the law, who's texting while driving and causing the accident, does your insurance policy, I'm sure that there's a stipulation in your policy that says, hey, we're not going to cover this if you're at fault texting while driving.
No, typically you're still going to be covered. Okay. But you're not going to have insurance very long with that company. But just like DUI, if you cause an accident while impaired, your insurance company is typically still going to cover that accident, just like with texting and driving. But your rates are going to go sky high, or you're going to get dropped. And so there's absolutely no excuse for doing that, and the consequences are going to be great if you do.
So it doesn't automatically mean your policy's null and void just because you were maybe texting while driving or driving while under the influence.
That's correct.